Guys, this is the project I'm doing today, okay? Pops and Tish. That's the project. There we are, right? I've been doing this project for 2 weeks. The plumbing on this one. So we're gonna go at it now. So we're going in. Follow me in. There's the garage. Ceiling plumb already. Then we're going in. Grand entrance. Here we go. Powder room. Roughed in. Right. Vent up. 2-inch pick up a floor drain for the HVAC on the 3rd floor. Picking up washroom, upper washroom. There you have it. Right to the basement. Let's go upstairs. We're going upstairs. All material here. There we go. Laundry box, set it up. Double sink here. Laundry sink go over here. So there's the vents are going up. Okay. Next washroom on this side. Okay, here you have it. Shower here. Drain underneath. Vent going up. Then we have the double C here. Main stock, 3-inch stock. Go up to the roof and we vent it out. Still have to make the connections here. Okay guys? So this side we have double sink. That's an outside wall, can't go through. So we have the vent up top, sink to the floor. Then we're gonna go along the kick space for the drains. And then inside the cabinet and up to the vent. There you have it again with Tish and Pops. Guys, like, share, and subscribe. Please, get us up to 1,000 so we can keep going. We want to grow this channel. Thank you, guys.